Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and as you might know, I'm moving to Paris and this is my moving vlog, so I'm going to take you guys with me through the process of moving to Paris. Everything from packing down my apartment to apartment hunting, and I think this is going to be a series on my channel. So hopefully you guys will enjoy coming with me through this journey, and yeah. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So I have actually started to pack a little bit of our things in our apartment, but there is a lot left and it is a complete chaos here at home. So I cannot wait to next weekend where we are going to drive down to Oslo, and hopefully the week after that we are going to move if everything goes as planned. If you saw my moving announcement video, you probably know that we are going to move in the first days in May, so it's very exciting. And now when I'm filming this, it is the 21st of April, so it's not that long until we are going to move, and it is very exciting. Moving to Paris is something that I have wanted to do for a long time, and it is something that I have worked hard for a long time now, so now it's finally happening and I cannot wait to get to Paris. It is going to be a complete dream. And also, if you saw my moving announcement video, you know that apartment hunting and everything like that has been a little bit hard because I still live in Norway and going to Paris for viewings isn't the easiest thing to do. So therefore we lost a lot of apartments. But now we have one that we are going to rent for 3 months, and while I'm in Paris, I'm going to go actively on viewings. So our hope is to find an apartment those 3 months, and hopefully it will be our dream apartment. So that's that, and yeah, I cannot wait to move to Paris. And I'm also going to show you guys a little bit of the things that I have done. I have, for example, marked my Hermes boxes and packed them away so that the moving process will be a little bit more easier. So that's the current situation now, and I will show you guys in a minute. So yeah. So here are some of the Hermes boxes and as you can see, they are all wrapped up. And here is my filming chaos because I filmed some videos that are going to go live when I'm in the moving process, so I don't have to worry about that. And here is our couch, and I think the most chaos is at our walk-in. As you can see, it's complete chaos here. Here you have my picota and you have all the dust bags, and here are my Bottega slides. I'm selling them because I don't want to take them with me to Paris. It's crazy messy here and it's kind of embarrassing, but we are going to move, so that's the reason why it is like this. And here are my bags currently, and this is the picota box, and here is my Baton Birkin, my Virgil Kelly and my Birkin 30 in gold. I haven't packed it out yet after my Oslo trip which is over a week ago since we came home, so I'm very bad at doing things now because all things that we are doing is moving related, and therefore I didn't prioritize packing this one out. And yeah, now it is Monday and we are leaving on Saturday, so it is only a couple of days left here at home. Now I just have filmed some content for you guys, so you will have something to watch when I'm moving, because I don't know yet what's going to happen. But yeah, that's the situation. I haven't packed that much more, but my mother-in-law was visiting here this weekend, so she took some moving boxes with her. But to be honest, I don't know what we are going to do. Now I think the option that we are looking to do is that I'm going to fly down there and he is going to drive, so we get more things with us. That's the current situation. I'm very stressed, and I also wanted to address some things. I kind of hope that it wasn't necessarily to do that. I posted the video yesterday that I was going to move, and most of the response was very good, but there were some comments about why I'm going to move to Paris, and therefore I think I would like to explain that in a better way. So first of all, English isn't my first language, and when I was filming that video I was so overwhelmed, and for me it is such a big thing to be able to move to Paris because it has been my dream, as I explained, but it is also something here in Norway that I want to move from. And also I think it is going to be better for my mental health, because here where I live now, as I explained, we are not going that much out here. We are more in our bubble, and I know that it is something that I could have done better. But I think when I move to another city, I have to step out of my comfort zone and do something with it. And on another aspect, I want to grow. I want to make the content that you guys will appreciate. Here I feel that I don't have that much content that I can create, because I cannot go into a store here where I live, and luxury isn't all, but it is my job and it is something that I really like, but it isn't the whole life, and I don't want you guys to misunderstand that. There was only a few people who misunderstand that, and it is a very big step for me, and I'm so thankful for that. I know with myself that I'm going to live my best life there. It is going to be so good for my mental health to be in a city where I feel free, where I can do the things that I want to do and not thinking about other things like I have to do here. But yeah, I just wanted to be honest with you guys and be a little bit more personal. I know that you guys appreciate it, but I don't want it to be too heavy. So I just wanted to address that as well. And yeah, let's move on to the moving. Hopefully we are going to move next Friday. It's very surreal and I cannot wait to arrive there. And I'm glad that I have a small week in Oslo where I can meet my friends and say goodbye and have one last dinner with them before I leave, and also meet all my essays. And I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to shop with the essays that I have in Oslo, that I have a great relationship with. I'm going to continue the relationship with them. So I'm not going to, for example, completely switch my essay at Hermes. He's such a nice person and I like him so much that I don't want to just throw that away, because I'm going to go to Oslo often because I have my in-laws there and we are also going to visit them. So yeah, on Thursday this couch is going away because we cannot leave it here. So on Thursday it will be very empty here. Even more than it is now, but I'm a little bit happy about that, because when and if we decide to do something with the apartment, it was quite a hassle to get this sofa in. We had to remove the door and also the thing around the door. So when the sofa gets out, it isn't our problem anymore. So I'm very thankful for that, because this sofa hasn't been the easiest one and I cannot wait to get it out. Even though I really love it, but it is such a good thing to get it out. So here is our bedroom and it is so comfortable to sleep here because it is completely dark. And here is our living room, and yeah, my favorite couch ever. And actually I made this table myself from scratch. So here is our small kitchen and our dining table. And here is our bathroom. So here are our shoes and I have managed to pack them. And the Hermes boxes are still here. And I don't know what I'm going to do with them. if I'm going to put them in a moving box or if I'm going to put them in the car like this. I don't know. Here are the filming situation. It's a little bit messy, but yeah. And you can see that I talked about my Cali and my Birkin 30 and some other things there. Here are the mess. It is completely chaos in here. Moving boxes everywhere. And I'm literally filming in my pajamas and just a good totem knit. And yeah, that was the check-in for today. At Dior Beauty for a facial treatment, so I'm going into the city and doing that now. And now I'm in Oslo, as you can probably see. I have been so bad at checking in with you guys in Oslo, but I have been crazy busy and things haven't turned out as planned, so we are kind of stressing a little bit about it, but hopefully it will be okay very soon. But I'm going to talk to you guys later about that. But yeah, so here is my look of today. I'm wearing my Loewe tank, my bobby bag, my Frankie Shop blazer, and actually today I'm wearing my Cyper sandals. It is the first day this year that I'm wearing my Cyper sandals, and I'm very excited to warmer weather. So yeah, let's go into the city.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
I promised you guys to check in with you and tell you what's happening. So today it is the 3rd of May and we were supposed to move into our apartment the 5th of May, but that's not happening. The reason for that is because they are not finished with the apartment. Hopefully we will be able to move in within 14 days. If not, we will have to find another temporary apartment. So that kind of sucks, but it is how it is. And yeah, we cannot do anything about it, so we are trying to be patient, but it is quite difficult because I cannot wait to move to Paris. But 14 days isn't that long, so hopefully we will be in Paris by then. I just wanted to check in with you guys and tell you what has been happening since last time I talked to you guys. So on Monday it was 1st of May and it is an official holiday here, so all the stores and everything was closed, and on Sundays also all the stores are closed here in Norway, so I didn't do that much those days. I was a little bit tired from all the packing, and I also woke up at 4 o'clock on Saturday because I was traveling to Oslo, so I was very tired and I needed to have a few days just to chill. On Sunday I actually had some friends of mine on dinner here. I made some food for them and it was very cozy, and yeah, I really enjoyed that. And yesterday I went to Dior Beauty for a Dior treatment. That was very nice, and you can tell by my face that I'm a little bit red because of the treatment, but it is going to fade over some time. I didn't end up buying that much from Dior. I ended up buying this toner because they didn't have the one that I use. So this is the Capture Total Intensive Essence Lotion, which is going to replace my Dior Prestige lotion. And with that I got, of course, some freebies. I got the eye cream and I also got the cleanser in the small size. So that's very good. And yeah, that was my day. I also went to Hermes. I initially had an appointment on Thursday at Hermes, but my SA messaged me and said that he was going to have some days off, so therefore I went yesterday instead of Thursday. It was quite nice to see him again. I didn't buy anything because, as you probably have noticed, I have a lot of things and I'm struggling already with moving all the things to Paris, so I don't want to buy even more that I have to move. So therefore I didn't buy anything. That was basically my days, and I'm hopefully going to move very soon. But for now we are staying a little bit longer than planned in Oslo. That's basically how life is now. As you probably have seen, I have moved all my things out of my apartment, but for now everything is packed in moving boxes, so we don't have anything left to pack there, and that's a very good thing. Today I'm going to edit this vlog so it will go live tomorrow, and I will start another one right away, so you guys will be able to follow me through this process every day. Hopefully. I have been so bad at checking in with you guys, but as I have also mentioned, I'm at my in-laws and I don't want to put a camera up in their faces, and therefore I do this when I'm home alone, and sometimes it isn't that often, but now I finally got the time to check in with you guys and tell you guys what's happening. But I am going to move, and it is going to be soon, so if the 2 weeks passes I will need to move into another apartment. We are looking for some options, and one thing that's very sure, I am going to move, but when, I don't know yet, but hopefully within 14 days. And in the meantime I will try to make some content here in Oslo and take you guys with me, and probably do some new things, because here in Oslo we mostly do the same things because we have such a small amount of time, but now we have a little bit more time to do things that we have wanted to do for a while, so hopefully we will be able to do that. So that was part 1 of the moving vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it is a little bit messy. And I will see you in the next one, which I'm going to start right now. But that was it, and I will see you in the next one. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.